What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Kegon's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this flavorful herb butter lobster recipe. Stay tuned. So today, guys, we're going to be talking about something that might sound a little crazy, but trust me, it's going to be amazing. Deep fried lobster, a whole lobster. It's not something you see every day. And I'm excited to show you how it's done, guys. Stay tuned. So let's start off by splitting our lobster in half. Alright, so we're going to grab a knife. Woo. Alright, so now that the lobster is split in half, we're going to remove all this unwanted stuff right here. Alright? After we finish removing the poo and all that stuff, we're going to rinse it off with some lime and water. Then we're going to add our blended seasoning along with some dry seasoning as well. Stay tuned. Alright, so like I said, guys, we're just cleaning up the lobster. Remove that extra poo and all that stuff. Alright, so now we're gonna season our lobster. We're gonna add our dry seasoning, and then we're gonna make some blended seasoning, add it to the lobster, let it marinate for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna start deep frying this baby. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, so we're gonna blend our green seasoning. So I have 1 stalk of scallion, I have about like 6 cloves of garlic. We're gonna add a nice garlicky flavor, about 5 or 6 pimento berries, 1 whole Scotch bonnet pepper for that extra spice, and flavor as well. Alright, so we're going to add a little bit of water to this, maybe a half a cup, blend it, and then we're going to add it right on top and let it marinate. Here I have 1 tablespoon of fish seasoning and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose blend. Mix that bad boy together. Mix it up until it's nicely combined. And then we're going to season the lobster. Just like that. Rub it in. And now we're going to add our blended seasoning. Let it marinate for about 5 minutes, guys. Wow, it's smelling so good. Oh yeah. And this, guys, would be also a nice way to marinate your lobster before you put it on the grill. That would add a nice flavor as well. But for today's recipe, we're just going to deep fry it and enjoy. At this point, guys, you want to add about 1 cup of cooking oil, vegetable oil. And then we're going to shake off, that extra marinade from the lobster. And it's going to get sizzling right now, sizzling hot. Add your lobster tail, face down, the meat side down. Just like that. And then we're going to repeat the same step for the second side. And we're going to fry our lobster tail for about 3 minutes on the first side, and then we're going to do the same thing again for about 3 more minutes after we flip it over. And you want to turn your stove to about a medium-high heat, guys. Time to flip. Alright, smelling good, guys. Wow. The aroma from the lobster and the seasoning. Oh my God, it's incredible. So now we're gonna add a little bit of lemon juice, fresh squeeze. It's gonna add a nice citrusy flavor to the lobster tail, you know? Oh yeah. So after cooking your lobster for about 3 minutes per side, then we're gonna remove it from the oil, drain this old oil off, and then we're gonna add some butter, you know, and a little bit of that marinade that we use to season the lobster. A little white wine, and then we should be good. Stay tuned, guys. Add a little white wine. Not much. We're gonna add our marinade. Then we're gonna add some butter. About 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is fully melted, we are good to go. Then we're going to remove the lobster from the pan and pour the sauce right on top. Smelling so good. This is a nice herb butter, you know, lobster recipe, guys. Pour that sauce on top. Oh my God. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, flavorful herb butter lobster, guys. And there you have it. So now we're gonna take a little bite and I'm gonna let you know how it turned out. Stay tuned. Add a little parsley for that garnish, just to finish it off. Not too much, we're not gonna overdo it. A little squeeze of that fresh lemon juice. Oh yeah. Oh my God, so tender. It's not rubbery. You know, cooking the perfect lobster, guys, is all about timing. You know, you gotta make sure you have the right timing, the right temperature, and everything. So we're gonna take a quick bite, let you know how it is. Rub it in that sauce. Wow. Wow. Yo. This is so good, guys. You know, the spice and the flavor from the Scotch bonnet pepper, you know, all the dry seasoning and all the other ingredients combined together is just perfect. This is incredible. Beautiful dish, guys. And if you enjoyed watching this recipe, guys, this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.